Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, plus 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate chips. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, then gradually add them to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. It's time to form and bake these delicious treats. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 9 to 11 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the edges are golden brown and the center still looks slightly soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. For truly exceptional chocolate chip cookies, here are a few extra tips. Chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes or even overnight can significantly improve their texture and prevent spreading. A sprinkle of flaky sea salt on top before baking can really elevate the flavors. Consider using a mix of different chocolate types, like milk and dark, for a richer taste. And always store your cooled cookies in an airtight container to keep them fresh for several days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.